How to create clickable thumbnails for your video. This question may be engaging at you every time you finish your video. When you create your video using a strong script, excellent voiceover, and superior editing, and then upload it with a boring thumbnail, it doesn't give you the results you expect. I will point out every crucial point for your potential earnings in this video. So, stay with us till the end, and don't skip any part of the video. At the end of the video, I will give you a bonus tip that will surely help you to get more views on your videos. Otherwise, you will lose a lot in your earning journey. What's lacking in your thumbnail that's hindering your video's performance? Let's analyze some well-known YouTuber channels to understand how they structure their thumbnails for optimal results. Point out your mistakes that you always ignore while making thumbnails of your video. Creating clickable thumbnails is quite an interesting and easy process for everyone. And if you dive deep into popular YouTubers' thumbnails, you'll find that each thumbnail is divided along these lines cores. Color contrast of thumbnails. The combination of colors used in the layout of any thumbnail makes it captivating uniquely and innovatively, which increases the video visibility incredibly. The use of the best color contrast makes it more impactful and clickable for your viewers. Many YouTubers use specific color combinations in their thumbnails with different patterns to make them unique as a brand. The theory and experience of choosing colors for thumbnails can be different for every YouTuber, but most creators focus on using a combination of dark and light colors in their thumbnails. The color palette of your thumbnails works in the right direction for success. Usually, creators use gradient colors for the back, and the font color just opposite to it, green, and another highlight color to enhance its visibility attractively. Clickable thumbnails always need something different that increases the curiosity of viewers, and they compel to click on your videos. Focal points. If your channel is based on Mr. Beast type content, then you implement some emotional facial expressions on your thumbnails. For this, you can use your image with impressive facial expressions. Otherwise, you can use another popular YouTuber's or any AI animated image to get the best results. Large numerical values and financial amounts. If your channel is another content, then must add some big figures like $1,000 in earnings, millions of views, 50 million houses, world-famous billionaires, and other big numbers that click the people's minds and make them curious to know all about it. So don't take it out of context. Burning questions. Putting questions in your thumbnails can be very useful and game-changing for your video use, because these types of questions create suspense in people's minds. Social hacking. If you have a specific small channel, then social hacking plays a vital role in your video viral, because the popular face of the media impressed easily the audience to watch the full video about them. Just like if you put Andrew Tate or Mr. Beast and Elon Musk's images on your thumbnail, then the chances of winning will be near to you. Don't underestimate the power to apply this type of concept in the thumbnails. Prominent dark header text. Always use dark and prominent letters in the header text of your thumbnails because everyone is impressed by your header text after the image. Use clear and riddle-type words that create curiosity in your audience's minds and compel them to watch your complete video. Comparison of objects. The comparison of any two objects makes it possible to make your video viral easily, and many creators use them in their video thumbnails. Like this, and this. Noticeable point. The one point you should never avoid is that don't rely on making a thumbnail in your niche, but also try to discover something new from others' niches. And for this, head over some other popular channels that have got many views. I think this concept of eye-catching thumbnail creation must have been clear in your mind. Creating clickable thumbnails in your niche isn't big rocket science, but you have to focus on making it impact for your audience with this theory. Now move to making the impressive thumbnail for your video and follow these steps. Go to Canva, open the thumbnails option. Select one color for the background and make it glow by mixing some effects, otherwise select a gradient background that most people use for their thumbnails. Put the header title on the upper side of the thumbnail with a glowing prominent text effect. Set the character image on your thumbnail in the middle or on the 1/3 side. Set the green color graph with a glowing effect on the whole thumbnail, and put the money image into this graph. To make it more engaging, put some big money figures on it, like $1,000 earnings from TikTok, YouTube, or anything else. Keep this in mind. The thumbnail can also be the main reason for not getting potential views on your video. So change your video thumbnail after a few days and see which will definitely help to increase your views. I have explained some crucial points for your video thumbnail. Hope you have learned them. If you want to get more explanation about thumbnail creation, so comment me below. We will come up with soon with new topic. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video.